Are you okay? You don't look as bright as usual.
Still, sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. It tickles. But I'm still dim.
Yeah, maybe you're tired, Luna.
Rest a bit.
I can't rest. Glow with us. We share our light. Thank you. It feels warm, but it's not my glow. Your glow doesn't come from brightness. It comes from happiness. Happiness? Yes. Find what makes your heart shine.
Luna's still shining for us. They believe in me.
I shine brightest when I shine for others.
You're glowing again.
Because my heart is full.